My name is Justin. I'm one of the owners here at Irongate Machine. We've been in business since 1986, so just over 30 years. We are a job shop and we can make just about anything you can imagine out of metal or plastic. We were using ShopTex E2. It was our first ERP system and it was a pretty good fit for us when we first started. But we found after about 5-6 years, we started really bumping our head on the ceiling of the capabilities and really starting to outgrow it. And then a couple years later, we found more than just bumping our heads, we were really jammed up against the ceiling and it was really starting to hold us back. So we've had ProShop for just about a year now, and we've seen efficiency increases through every aspect of the shop, and we can't imagine living without it. Making that transition was much simpler than we thought it would be. And then just the overall functionality, everything is under one roof. There's not 5-6 different systems anymore. Now the crew has full feedback loop. They can give us information, we can give them information, it's all real time. Once people saw really how great it was kind of like a freight train. We couldn't even stop the progress. We used to spend hours a week and go through reams of paper, just printing out travelers, prints, setup information, collating all that, getting it together, putting it in protectors, getting it out to the shop floor. And now, as soon as that order gets put into ProShop, it's available to everyone. They can see it all and they can give us feedback immediately rather than waiting until that traveler lands on their desk. And that's been saving us hours. With the dashboards, our shipper is able to know what's coming, proactively get ready, and then when that part shows up and it's ready to go, it's out the door. As a job shop, we can have hundreds of setups per week, and saving even a few minutes on each one really has a big impact on the shop overall. Increased efficiency is definitely hard to gauge, and we haven't even been live for a year, but I could probably say easily 25% just based on the amount of work we've been able to push through. And as we get more and more familiar with ProShop, I think that number is just gonna grow exponentially.